so we can find a comfortable position for meditation. We get in touch with our breathing. Learn to let go of everything that's on your mind. And just become present here and now. To everything that's with you. We decide for the next few minutes, we're not going to focus on anything else, and we're just going to enjoy this meditation. We get in touch with our breathing. Breathe away everything that's on your mind and let it go. Breathe away everything that you want to be free of in your life. Any blockages, limitations, identities. Imagine that you breathe all these things away every time that you breathe out. Any distractions that come up, just breathe them away. Imagine that you let them go. you breathe in, imagine that you breathe in all the positivity, wealth, peace, and abundance that you wish for. Breathe in everything that you want to embody. Breathe in everything that you wish for. Breathe in everything: wealth, abundance, peace, fulfillment, prosperity, presence, purpose, clarity. Imagine that you embody these qualities. Now remember that all these qualities are natural to you. They are innate. They are part of your potential. So focus, relax into these new qualities that you are imagining and embodying. While recognizing them as being part of your potential. recognize that you are connected directly to the divine expression of these qualities. Divinity, divine consciousness, has within it all these good qualities to their highest expression and fulfillment. Divine wealth, divine peace, divine joy, divine success. Whatever other good quality you've cultivated, divinity also has this quality, and the divine consciousness is pervading everywhere. Divine mind pervades everywhere. Including you right now. So, while staying with your own quality that you are imagining and embodying, realize that you are already connected to the divine aspect of this quality. You are connected to divine wealth, divine joy, divine bliss and abundance, divine peace, divine happiness, divine freedom. Make this recognition now. We can begin to relax our concentration. And when we're ready, we can begin to open our eyes and arise from meditation, keeping this beautiful connection to these good qualities and to divinity in our heart. Now, in order to channel these good qualities, you'll have to connect to the person you want to channel to with compassion. You have to love them, feel compassion for them. And then from here, while holding these qualities and the divine connection to these qualities, the divine expression of these qualities. As you try to help them, just remember divinity is everywhere. It's inseparable from everything, including your body, including your mind, and including your speech. So as you talk, divinity is flowing out through your mouth. And as you look, divinity is in your eyes, and it's in the space in between you two. And as your mind resonates for them, your heart, divinity is present within your heart, every fiber of your being, every fiber of your energetic being. Divinity is there. When they look at your body, divinity is present in every cell, every organ, every finger, every movement. There's divinity there. So you literally become a channel for divinity in everything that you think, say, and do. And in this way, you can bring immense benefit to the people that you are interacting with. And when you talk and give your message out there and even take pictures, people will recognize some special energy within you, and they're going to want to be part of it. And when you're with your clients in your sessions, again, you will actually facilitate massive transformation for people. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Please do this meditation a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.